Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Michael Olwen, and we've been here at Kabianga School doing the final lap of documenting Kabianga at 100. For the last 100 years, Kabianga School has been churning out boys who have come up to be people who have shaped the country of Kenya. At ACTT Digital Media, we help school in media and communication. And one of the things that we do is to make for the school documentary. Today being the final day, the climax of the event of Kabianga at 100, we've gotten materials that we were not able to get for the last 6 months, from as old as the 50s, the 60s, and even the 70s, and of course the recent years up to the year 2021. At the final stage of it, now we are ready to produce one of the best publications. In our pursuit to do this, our team of editors, led by Grace Musyoki, will be reaching out to you so that you'll be able to clarify some few issues so that we make the magazine. With today's pronunciation and speeches, we will be able to produce one of the best centenary magazine. To the principals out there, we ask you to reach out to us. We have the expertise, we have the team, we have the zeal, and of course we have the passion to be able to produce some of the best publication of our time. Until then, my name is Michael Olwen from ACTT Digital Media, and we thank Kabianga School Administration for allowing us to be with them, to work with them, to document Kabianga at 100. Thank you and God bless you, Kabianga alumni. God bless you, Kabianga teachers, and all the parents of Kabianga School. And may the favor of Lord surely favor you. Thank you so much and God bless you.
Mwalimu kuja wewe. Igwe. So ladies and gentlemen, wacha tuende kwa commercial break right now. When we come back, bado tunaenda hapa kujibamba au sio?